Hey guys, welcome to my channel once again. My name is Darren, aka the Six Figure Dad. Hope you're having a great week. Okay, so this is my tip of the day, and really I want to talk a little bit today about the core principles of email marketing and how having that direct communication with your subscribers can be an absolute game changer for your business if done correctly. All right, email marketing is about offering that tailored service, I suppose. So you can personalize your content strategy. You can offer value to your subscribers because they've subscribed to your list at some point. There must have been an interest there. Let's now show them what you can do for them to actually take their journey to the next level. Email marketing, I love email marketing because one, you can measure everything. So what I mean by that is you can track all the open rates, you can look at all the statistics as well for your account, okay, and you can adjust accordingly. You can't do that with the old traditional way of marketing, like sending out mail. You don't know whether it's even landed or not. Whereas email marketing, of course, you know instantly. You can run campaigns. Right now, campaigns are multiple emails on a pre-scheduled sequence. Now you can do this. Generally, a lot of people will send out an email immediately as soon as someone subscribed, then maybe 6-7 hours later, and then maybe a day later, and then maybe 2 to 3 days after that, and so on. Okay, generally we're looking at sending between 3 and 4 emails a week, certainly in the early stages of a campaign, and then over a period of time that might slow down slightly. Now, in addition to your campaigns, this is why email marketing is so powerful and building a funnel for yourself, because even if somebody doesn't purchase from you during that initial campaign, which may run, say, for 8 to 10 weeks, possibly, we've still got something that we call newsletters. Now, newsletters are a one-off email that you can prepare and send out as a weekly newsletter, just with maybe tips and tricks, maybe updates with your business, maybe new offers that you have going on right now. Newsletters are a great way of keeping in contact with your audience who may have not taken action in the early stages for whatever reason, and there's many different reasons for that, right? Templates, again, within the right sort of software, autoresponder softwares, there's templates that you can adjust, you can amend, you can color code and change them around to be your brand. And so when you've branded yourself and you've got your emails scheduled and they're all going out on a regular basis and people are going to get that know, like, and trust factor from you, obviously, inside of your emails, you're going to have a CTA. CTA, simple call to action. Okay, now this is obviously going to take people back to your offer or maybe other opportunities that you may be talking about in that email. But it's a great way to build relationships with people who have actually expressed an interest in you already. So they're warm leads, right? So great way to drive sales, increase website traffic, really establish that authority with valuable content that they already have an interest in. Okay, so email marketing done the right way can be an absolute game changer for you. So don't ignore it. However, if you're at the stage where you just don't have the time to create all of that yourself, and it sounds like a bit of a tech issue, a tech minefield, then click that link below this video and take a look at what I've got on the inside, because there is a system there that does all of this for you. It's all pre-built and everything, so it's perfect for beginners. However, if you want to do all of this yourself, there's also an option there for you to take a look at as well. That link below will take you to my opt-in page, enter your name and email address, and then on the inside you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. Go check it out. If you've got any questions, you know where to find me. Reach out, drop me an email. You'll get my free guide as well. But if you haven't done already, guys, please click that subscribe button, leave a comment. But certainly, please like the video and share if you can. But yeah, if you can leave a comment with listen, if you've got any questions with regards to an online business, maybe you're having some struggles of your own, drop them in comments and I'll create a video for you. So I hope that helps. Very, very short. My tip of the day series is very short videos, okay? So it's not like in-depth training. It's just something to be aware of and something that can maybe just a little tweak in your business can make all the difference. So I hope that helps, guys. I'll see you tomorrow for tomorrow's tip of the day. Take care.